Here we are walking the trail to Little Egypt Falls, or Triple Arch Falls.
Good choices, left or right?
Ooh, left looks more fun.
I haven't seen anybody go that way yet.
Okay. You'll go right?
All right.
Okay. Girls are leading the way. I might go up there somewhere.
Hi. Pretty cool.
Oh yeah.
First step's a doozy.
Watch out for snakes.
Oh wow. Did you see this view?
It's already got me breathing hard.
That's right.
I'm about 100 foot in. What was that song you were singing last night?
Come with me, and you'll be in a world of your imagination.
Oh, this is cool.
Holy crap, hold on. This is awesome. Great path today. I don't remember if we're going to the Triple Arches or...
The Devil's Racetrack.
I don't know where we're going, but we'll find out when we get there.
Whoa. Be careful, lady. Can you feel the mist? I'm trying not to fall, but my knees are killing me already. Oh man, look at that.
Selfie time. Yeah. Post check on.
All right, should we continue?
Yep. Look at where that goes. got those merles now. It's so pretty. It's just, it's such a rush when you get down there, and it's just the smell, and it just completely takes over you. Look at that one that's
Let me
like,
see. Oh, that's neat. How about you can walk out on that rock? It looks like somewhere that Wile E. Coyote might be
well, they're getting diving board.
getting ready to drop the anvil off.
You know, I rooted for that coyote.
Yeah, I know you did.
I really did. They should have like ended it, and they may have, I don't know it. But they should have ended it where that coyote finally gets that roadrunner.
The end.
That would have been the ultimate, like, you know what, we're done with this series. The roadrunner. Like, the anvil finally got something. That would be awesome. The most important thing I learned from that cartoon though is like, just keep trying. Even if you fail. You're never gonna get your roadrunner, but you keep trying.
She's getting braids.
Clear. Red group? Yeah. A lot of group? I don't even remember. Someone's forgetting that suntan.
What's the matter? Mama won't let you play?
We're done. Like a big barrel for my comfortable feet.
The Merles are where it's at, man. I got the Merles on too.
We're all wearing Merles. They are.
What mine a Merle sponsorship?
That's what I'm talking about. stuff. Like nothing that's just clean. Easy. They call it Little Easy?
Do I know why?
Yeah.
I'm thinking because of the 3 waterfalls and the 3 pyramids.
Okay.
I could be wrong. Jada, you better be careful. Snake, Jada. Oh, watch it. You're going to sink.
I think I cut my arm.
You're as clumsy as your mama. Yeah, you did too, didn't you? Do you see something? Whoa! That looks like it's out of a movie.
I'm up. Where are you going?
Okay, I'll follow you. Tell Jada to be careful. She's scaring me.
I'm not an overprotective helicopter mom. She's just clumsy.
I mean, she's hiking in sweatpants, for Pete's sake.
Oh my gosh, that's just amazing.
I hope it looks good on camera as it does in person.
I mean, no matter how many things are filmed, it never does anything justice to it. At least we have like television and all that now.
Yeah, let's let them pass. I got a little one.
Oh wow. There it is. 1, 2, 3. I see what you're saying. There I got a picture. Jay, here. Easy. Come down here with us and get a baby. Oh. I'm gonna send this to Earl. Really pretty.
You out of breath yet?
Me?
Yeah. Is that cool? Pretty cool, right?
Alright.
How's that arm?
I sent that to work too. Maybe him and Heather will be down here faster. That's just really pretty.
Mom will like that.
Hey, this is your mama can do this.
Yeah.
There's one you give her plenty of room. Oh my lord. Seriously.
So I think in the summertime, I think that's a nice swimming hole.
Look.
You don't follow your mom? Don't get in front. Be careful. Could be a big anaconda in there.
Sorry, you okay?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
selfie time. Whoa, that one moved.
I didn't think you put that. Like hi.
Wait. Zoom in. Oh, I guess I was zoomed in. Cool. So cool, man.
It's really comforting.
I'd love to sit down here and camp a night. Wouldn't that be neat? Yeah, we're gonna come out here in the summertime. You sit and have a nice little lagoon, place to cool off. Look at them calves.
Oh wow. Say that. Good. Take another video of my own.
I'm okay.
There's a road right there.
Whoa. He is doing a polar plunge, ain't he? Middle of February. Yep, they're doing a polar plunge. Nuts. They hurt nuts. I couldn't do it. I'm following you, Jane. Careful where you step. I thought that trail goes up, no?
So it's safer that way. Alright, we'll go.
You got it.
We'll go. Where's your mom? Deal with her. I couldn't, you know what I mean?
Hey, lady. Hold on, wait for me. Wait for your mom. We're waiting on you. Did you put on deodorant?
I think that's as far as it goes now.
Right there. Going up, going up. We'll take a drink from that waterfall. It's not salt water. was a nice hike. How's your knees? And your lungs, can you breathe?